This video demonstrates how to enable confirmation for long-term medications. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If you are unable to confirm or add the medication, please go to Administration. Then, navigate to Branch Management. Select the branch where you wish to add the medication. Go to Medication. Click on the Add icon to add the medication. Then, save it. Please take note that if you do not have access to administration, you will need to seek assistance from the nurse manager. Go to the patient for whom you want to add the medication. Click on Medications. You may add a new medication or edit medications that could not be confirmed earlier. Click on Name of Drug and enter the medication name you previously added under Administration. It should appear in the drop-down list. Select it from the list. Then, click on Save. Lastly, you should now be able to confirm the medication. Thank you for watching.